In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash app disappeared or Gcash app not showing on home screen. For solving this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset apps. Now search for Gcash. Tap on Gcash. Tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now you can see that Gcash. If this method not working for you, then go to Play Store. Now search Gcash. Now tap on uninstall. Now install again. Now you can see that Gcash icon. Now I hope that this method Gcash app disappeared or Gcash missing from home screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.